Buong akala ko, siya na talaga. After being together for 6 years, sinong mag-aakala na may makakasira pa? Just when you thought you knew someone, they will surprise you with a lie. She was not a one-night stand. She was not a mistake. She was a choice. Pero ang matindi kasi dito, di niya kayang pumili at pareho niya daw kaming mahal. They've been together for 3 years and kami for 6. So how? How can I be so manhid and tanga na hindi ko napansin? Pero whatever, I didn't ask him to choose. I left. I need no reason. I need no explanation. For me, hindi mo pwedeng sabihing mahal mo yung tao kung pagtalikod niya iba ang kasama mo. It's just not possible to love 2 people both at the same time. Ako si Ava. Naloko ng taong magaling magtago. My love, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Kapag ang tao talaga gustong manloko, may intensyong manloko, kahit imposible, nagiging posible. Kapag gusto, talagang may paraan. When your partner have wronged you by engaging on a one-night stand, andun ka sa mentality, andun ka sa thinking na baka kaya pang bigyan ng pagkakataon. Kasi nagkamali lang naman siya eh. It was a mistake. It wasn't an intention. Maybe pareho silang lasing. Maybe nadala sila ng bugso or init ng mga katawan. Maybe nagkaroon sila ng connection and for a moment naging bobo sila. Di gumana yung utak. So baka pwede pang pagbigyan kasi gusto mong tignan eh yung years that you've been together and how great he was with you. And you don't want those years na mapalitan na lang ng galit because of a one-night stand, a mistake. But 3 years? With the intention na pagsabayin talaga kayong dalawa? With him being conscious na dalawa kayo sa buhay niya. And with him claiming na pareho nila kayong mahal. I am with you, Ava. That is unacceptable. And that is a joke. I don't know if it's possible. Maybe because wala namang tangible way on proving it. Kumbaga walang data na pwede mong i-collect, walang facts na makakapag-support na capable ang human of loving 2 people both at the same time. Kasi love itself is subjective. It's not something that you can quantify. So, I don't know if it's possible, but I do know na it's not acceptable. If you want to be the only person in my life, so do I. Kung gusto mong ako lang sa buhay mo, ganun din ako. Gusto ko, ako lang din yung nasa buhay mo. Ayoko nang may kahati. Ayoko nang may ibang umaagaw ng atensyon mo. Ayoko na meron akong kasama sa mundong dapat tayo lang dalawa. Kasi I did not envision myself to be an option. I have always wanted and dreamt of being the only choice. So Ava, it's good that hindi ka na humingi ng explanation. Kasi there are things in a relationship, lalong-lalo na kung magtatapos na, that doesn't even need any explanation. Na hindi na nangangailangan ng rason. You just know that it's over. Kasi there are certain things that you just cannot accept. Kasi that is something that you don't want for yourself. That is something na ni ayaw mong ma-experience ng ibang tao kasi alam mong hindi talaga siya katanggap-tanggap. At for you, kuya, the audacity to tell that girl na gusto mo silang i-keep dalawa, na pareho mo silang mahal, I do not know kung saan ka humugot ng lakas ng loob to do that. But kuya, redefine your concept of love. Kasi I don't think you fully understand what it means. Feeling ko hindi mo lubusang naiintindihan yung ibig sabihin ng pagmamahal at yung pakiramdam ng nagmamahal. Kasi what you are saying or what you said is completely bull, kuya. It's so stupid. Na parang gusto mo siyang imaginein na sa telenovela mo lang mapapanood at hindi mo maririnig kahit kailan sa realidad. But someone like you exists. Someone na may lakas ng loob at tibay ng muka. To say something like that, to request something like that, to ask someone to be okay with the idea of her sharing you with someone else. Grabe, kuya. Saludo ko sa kapal ng mukha na meron ka. Pero for all the girls out there, or for all the people out there na lang in general, para walang gender bias, my love, you don't deserve to be an option. You don't deserve na ipagsabay sa iba pa. Kapag nagmahal ka ng buong buo, you deserve to be loved the same way. Ingatan ng kaparehong paraan, pag-alaya ng panahon, ng pagmamahal, ng atensyon, ng kaparehong timbang. You deserve that. So do not ever settle for less. Tandaan mo, my love. Sa way mo magmahal, sa paraan ng pag-aalaga mo, pag-aaruga, at paninindigan sa isang tao, kailanman, hindi ka magiging karapat-dapat, maging pangalawa, or ikalawa for that matter. Karapat-dapat ka, maging una, huli, at kaisa-isa. Klaro? Klaro.